This tutorial will show you how to quickly register and set up F2M Pay. First, go to our official website. Here, you can find an overview of the product as well as a preview of the demo store. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at any time. We'll be happy to help. Now, click Start for free to enter the merchant dashboard. Here, register with your email address. After registration, you'll enter the dashboard and see two subscription options. The official plan is $199 USDT per year, and it includes zero commission on your first $10,000 in transaction volume. For this tutorial, we'll choose the trial plan first and show you how to set it up. The dashboard setup has 3 steps. Step 1, enter your email address and merchant name. The other fields are optional. Step 2. Enter your store URL. For the payment channel, you can keep the default option. For the integration platform, we'll select WooCommerce. In the final step, click here to download the plugin package, then install and activate the plugin. Next, go back to your WordPress dashboard and open the WooCommerce settings. Select Payments, find F2M Pay, and click Manage. Copy the API key and the API secret into the corresponding fields. For easier testing, we'll turn on test mode here. That's it. The setup is now complete. Now, let's take a look at how it works in practice. Select the payment network. You can choose to pay with a wallet or send the payment directly to this address. Wait for a moment and the payment is successful. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our sales manager or customer support team. Thank you for your support.